Hi, I'm Darren Yeo, watercolour artist from Melbourne, Victoria. Welcome to Loose Watercolour Painting Essentials. In this class, you'll learn to apply concepts of depth, composition, layering, perspective, as well as essential watercolour techniques in order to create a beautiful painting. In addition to theory and practical exercises, there are also 11 included projects that we'll complete together. I'll walk you through in real time the techniques I'm using, such as wet and wet and wet and dry. I'll also show you how to simplify and sketch any scene in pencil. This class is aimed towards beginners and intermediate painters. There are scans, drawings, and tracing templates included for each project to help you transfer your drawing over quickly and easily. In this class, I narrate my demonstrations in real time. I explain every technique I use in the context of the painting, such as layering into wet areas to paint shadows of a tree or building. I'll be going over the essentials of layering wet into wet and wet into dry watercolour. I'll also talk about what materials you need and which ones I use and recommend. If you have some brushes, watercolour paints, paper, then you're ready to go. So join me in this class and let's create some beautiful watercolour paintings that you can be proud of.